Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the digitizer for the iPhone 3G. And this isn't cracked, but it stopped working, so yeah. I'm going to have, here's the video of how to replace it. Alright, first you want to start with screws here at the bottom. Just unscrew them. Now if you ordered one of the replacements online, then depending on who you got it from, what you ordered, it should come with a little tools like this. And there you go. And you want to make sure not to lose these, because that'd be a pain in the ass if you did. So I'm gonna put these somewhere safe. Alright, now that we got those out, we're gonna pry the screen open, and you can use different things. I'm gonna try with the knife first, just because I have it right here. Well, never mind. You can also use this tool. Forgive me, not too familiar with all their names. Just carefully pry it open from the sides. There you go. And there you have it. Now, yeah, these already came off. So, yeah, you want to, if these already haven't unplugged themselves, then you want to just remove them with a little pry tool like this. So, next, this part you want to be careful with. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Hold on. Alright, so now you're going to want to basically pry this part open right here. And use a tool like this. And just be really careful, or you don't pry it open. This little black piece right there, you just lift it up. So, just like that. And it slides right out. And now that you have that separated, just take this part, put it aside. Then you're left with this. And basically what you want to do, you want to unscrew this, basically, yeah, all the screws you see here with a little screwdriver. Alright, next step, you're left with no screws, and in order to not damage the LCD screen, you want to start from this side right here and just carefully, gently pry the frame out. And you slide it out. You have the LCD screen, put that aside. Then you're left with this. Now that you have that out, you basically want to carefully take the digitizer, kind of pry it off of the frame. You can use like a heat gun or a hair dryer if you want, but yeah, I just did it like that. Then you have your broken digitizer. You can do whatever you want with that. And then you have the frame. And next thing you want to do is just kind of just peel this excess adhesive off. You know, be careful not to damage anything. Alright, now you put your new adhesive on. Be careful with this because it's pretty sticky, so yeah, you want to get it on there nice and neat. Now that you've got that on, you just want to peel the outer paper part out, just like this. There you go. Alright, now you put your new digitizer on. See that? Now you just take this outer layer off. Throw that away. Then you take this inner part off. And then you want to get this part under it, because that's how it's made to go. And stick that on there nice and neat. Make sure the home button fits. Apply some pressure. Then it should stick. And there you go. Now we're going to put it back together. Now you just slide this back in here like you did before. Carefully. As so. Make sure everything's in place. And then you put those screws back in, which I'm going to skip. And then from there you just put it all back together. And there you go. That's how you repair the digitizer for the iPhone 3G. Thanks for watching.